Welcome to this course on standard costing. In this course you are going to understand about the basics of standard costing and the various variances. Before that, let's make ourselves comfortable in the fundamentals. Why we need a standard costing? I would say we need standard costing because it is basically a control tool in the hands of a management. It's basically a control tool. So why it is a control tool? For that we have to understand what are the principal functions of management. Management carries out various functions. They carry out functions like planning, they carry out functions like directing, they do staffing, and they also do what is known as controlling. So I said standard costing is a control tool, and for that we have to understand the principal functions of the management, which involves planning, directing, staffing, and it also involves controlling. So why a management should control? It's because every management has got a goal, and if they want to achieve the goal they have to do planning, yes, and they have to ensure that they are executing, and they should ensure they are monitoring the process. So when they monitor the process, they have to ensure that there is no deviation in the activity from the plans. So what is important is there should not be any deviation in the process from the plans. So now a question arises, what is a deviation? Deviation means the amount by which your actuals differs from the standards. Deviation means the amount by which your actuals are going to differ from standard. And this is very important in any process in the organization. So let us understand that standard costing has got a greater role because it is basically a control tool used by the management to ensure that there are no deviations, and if at all there is a deviation they have to measure the deviation. So deviation is actually measured by comparing the actual values with standards, or I would say with standard cost. So now a question would arise, what is standard cost? That you would see in the next lecture.